What if I ask you how many red cars you saw today? Your answer to this question would probably be, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, you should not be knowing that. Because your concentration, your focus was not on counting the red cars you saw. But on the other hand, when I'll tell you that I'll give you 100,000 rupees for every single red car you see on the road, now you'll start noticing every single red car on the road. So were red cars not there on roads back then when I didn't offer you the $100,000? It was there. They all were there, but you were not noticing them. It is same for the problems perspective. Like the problems, or I would rephrase that like revolutionary ideas are always there. We just don't have a focus on it. We just have our focus concentration on things that are meaningless or aren't useful enough. What if we start putting a focus or concentration a little bit back to finding problems of every system, institution, or anything that we see? Now we'll start noticing the problems, because problems are always there. What is not there is our observation. What is not there is our focus on those problems. We start noticing all those problems, we will be able to find all the problems and somehow be able to start a startup that would be changing a world. This is what people like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates did. Like, were there any problem? There was a problem that rockets were very expensive, but no one just saw it because everyone was distracted on working on other things. But Elon, as an engineer and as a problem solver, found that really big problem and started working on it, and now he's the richest guy in the world. Yeah, is the first trillionaire. Same for the Mark Zuckerberg. There was always a need for a social platform, but nobody felt it. Like everyone was like, yeah, there is need, but why would I work on it? It demands how much cognitive ability, like they have to put all of their mind in it, and putting all of their mind in concentration requires a lot of willpower because it's not easy for everybody. This is what divides the successful people from the average people. Both have the ability to achieve success, but one achieves success and one gets and just be average just because of their mindset that they don't want to work on hard projects. They don't want to just feel that what do we say, that the pain, they don't want to feel the pain that's coming in the way to becoming success. So this is the red car theory, that things that we see around the world were always there. We were just not noticing them the way we should have done. So I would like to request you that please focus on problems, finding problems, solving them, and I'll promise you that in next 3 years you will be a better human being from now. So for this video it was all. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, hit the like button. For that long, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.